Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your client version matches the server build and back up your saves and config to avoid data loss. Once done, close VPNs, overlays, and heavy downloads so latency and port conflicts don't interfere. Next, open the game's config folder and locate the online mode or net enable entry. If missing, create it with the correct syntax. This immediate action targets the common mismatch that prevents online authentication and gets you ready for deeper fix. Now repair networking and detailed config values. Restart your router, and if you can, assign a static local IP to the machine so port forwarding is stable. Then forward the game's required ports and confirm NAT type is open or moderate. This reduces dropped connections. Open the config file and set keep alive, timeout, and retry counts to recommended values. Make sure DNS and MTU settings are standard. These adjustments address packet loss or failed handshakes that break online mode. Finish by testing. Launch the game and monitor the connection log and server ping to confirm successful authentication. If the problem appears fixed, re-enable overlays and background utilities one at a time to spot conflicts. If online still fails, restore your backup config and repeat the single step that immediately preceded failure so you isolate the cause. A key troubleshooting tip: check logs for authentication error codes and search for that code before making further changes. The code points directly to the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.